Hello everyone, today is April 29th. It's Friday. Friday mornings are usually the best time to trade. Let's not look at the markets into the afternoon because the market usually changes as we go into the weekend. That being said, we're going to look at manipulation today in this video. I'm going to show you how the roadmap works, what it's doing, and explain to you exactly what and how the signals you're seeing work. So before we begin, remember, trading is risky. I don't want anyone to trade with funds they can't afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. Talk to your broker. Just realize what you're getting into before jumping into the world of trading. So I have two things here on my chart that I'm showing you. The first is going to be the roadmap software designated by these lines, zone A down, zone A up. And I also have the blueprint software, which is this shaded box on the three candles as you see. These are two different softwares. We include them both with mentorship. So whether you go for the accelerated mentorship or for the one-on-one mentorship, all the software with lifetime licenses are included with the mentorship programs. So when you look at the type of manipulation that exists, I'm not the first to discuss it, and I'm certainly not going to be the last one to talk about how manipulation affects the markets and traders in general. The way that we teach it at DayTradeToWin and the way that I show my traders is that imagine for a moment that there is an accumulation or there's a distribution where traders are selling and selling and selling, and then at some point they have to buy it back, and that buying back creates a manipulated move where there's a huge amount of buyers attacking the market, reversing the market in the opposite direction. Now, if it doesn't happen, we have nothing to worry about. If the market does reverse at these areas, at these zones, then in fact we have an opportunity. We can now take it as a counter trend trade. Now, the blueprint is that shaded area, that blueprint software that's included with mentorship where you can get it separately, is going to indicate a sell in just a moment. And the way it works is that as soon as the shaded area is created, that shaded three candle bar, that shaded area, there's going to be a signal to go short. There it is right there. Happens to be 42.26. So 42.26 is going to be where I want to go short or better. So remember, calmly, without rushing into it, we place a trade to go short at 42.26 or better. Try not to chase the market, and as you can see, there's plenty of room leading me down to that roadmap zone. So the roadmap zone ZD or zone D down at 42.15 area is indicating that if the market hits this area, if the market hits that area at about 42.15, there's going to be a reversal. Now, if it goes through it, we have nothing to worry about. The market goes through the zone. We can continue now to sell it because the zone is broken. But the manipulation that you're seeing is 42.15, and you can go back and check after this video is uploaded and see if in fact the market bounced off of it, went through it, what happened. We have a few opportunities there to either sell it or to bounce off of it. And the software actually gives us a signal as well if it bounces off of it. So the blueprint is indicating to sell it. Here's an example of me selling 42.26. The opportunity is to take it down as it leads me down to that manipulated area. There's plenty of room. As you can see, my target's 42.2150, well in front of that 42.15. Actually, the target should be closer to 42.15 anyway, because that's a magnet. Traders will take that down to 42.15 area, and then you'll see the market either bounce off of it or continue through it. So that is a magnet, a profit target, an area. This is included with how we teach manipulation in the marketplace. Now let's talk a little bit about what if the trade fails, right? You always have to be prepared in case the actual trade that we're taking doesn't go in our favor. It's a loser. Remember a time-based stop. Remember a prove-it stop, which is really any type of proof that you have. In this case, I like to use any candle that closes back inside the blueprint range, the blueprint box that's created as an opportunity to get out. I call that a prove-it stop. And you always have to have a catastrophic stop. So remember, stops are important. We obviously don't want them to be hit, but we need them in case the market fails.
Target filled.
So in this case, it gave us a signal. The entry is 42.26 or better. I didn't really get a very good price here to show you an example, but it should be 42.26 or better. And then we want to take it down to that magnet, the roadmap, which tells us we have enough room to get us there. The market's leading us down there. the manipulation that's going to occur as a reversal is most likely going to be in that 42.15 area designated by the roadmap. So I'm good to take this trade. This is how I filter out signals and filter out trades when I look at an opportunity. I say, is there anything there stopping me from taking the trade? So give me a moment, or give me a reason to say, let's not take this trade because of this is conflicting or that's conflicting. Or is there a reason for me to take that in case we have more than one method? Could be the Atlas line or the trade scalper, the blueprint. We have a number of methods that are all working in conjunction with each other. If you have any questions, if you'd like to join the Accelerated Mentorship class, it's new for 2022. Learn at your own pace and then join the group classes and attend as you need it. Give us a call. Let's make sure that this program is right for you. My name is John Paul. Have a good weekend, and I'll see everyone at the next video. Take care now. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.